People worry that AI is here to take jobs. But the truth? AI is creating opportunities for anyone willing to use it. Here are 5 powerful AI tools that can help you earn in 2025. ChatGPT is more than a chatbot, it's your personal assistant. Use it to write articles, generate business ideas, create marketing campaigns, and even automate customer service. Freelancers are already earning thousands using ChatGPT as their secret weapon. MidJourney turns words into stunning visuals. Artists and entrepreneurs are selling AI-generated art as digital products, book covers, NFT designs, and even stock images. The demand for creative visuals is endless. OpusClip takes long-form videos and instantly transforms them into short viral clips. Imagine turning a 1-hour podcast into 20 TikTok or YouTube shorts. Content creators love it, and they'll pay you to do it for them. Jasper is an AI copywriting tool. It helps businesses write ads, product descriptions, and email campaigns in seconds. If you offer marketing services, Jasper can multiply your output and your income. Canva AI is the game changer for design. You can create logos, presentations, flyers, and even social media posts in minutes. People and businesses pay good money for designs, and now, you can deliver faster than ever. AI won't make you rich overnight, but if you combine these tools with creativity and consistency, they can help you build real income streams. So, which AI tool will you try first? Like and subscribe for more.